A simple battery can save your dull kitchen knife. When a knife doesn't cut but crushes fruits and vegetables instead, cooking becomes frustrating. Even a simple paper test shows how much sharpness it's lost. Back in the day, my grandma used to sharpen knives with a porcelain mug. She'd flip it upside down and run the blade along the rough rim. It worked, but the results weren't always perfect. That's why today I'm showing you this simple trick. Start with some toothpaste. Its tiny particles have abrasive properties. Apply a thin layer to the blade and spread it evenly with a cotton swab on both sides. Then grab a regular battery, remove the label, and hold it at an angle against the blade. Gently slide the battery along one side several times, then repeat on the other side. This technique restores the blade's sharpness. Your knife will cut through tomatoes, paper, and even delicate fruit with ease. This clever method works every time and saves you money on sharpening tools. With just a bit of patience, every knife in your kitchen can cut like new again.